Looking for a new smoothie recipe? Check out this amazing Aloe Avocado Smoothie. This smoothie is not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. Aloe vera is known for its digestive health properties, and avocado has a creamy texture along with healthy fats. First, let's go over the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup of fresh aloe vera gel, 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup of coconut water. You can also use regular water or any plant-based milk. Aloe vera gel helps with digestion and has anti-inflammatory properties. Avocado provides healthy fats and makes the smoothie creamy. Coconut water is hydrating and adds a subtle tropical flavor. Let's get started with Parasite. First, scoop out the aloe vera gel into your blender. Next, cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh into the blender. Pour in the cup of coconut water. If you like your smoothie sweet, add a tablespoon of honey or agave syrup. Blend all the ingredients until smooth. And there you have it, your aloe avocado smoothie is ready. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.